Hey y'all, it's Carol Sue, and I thought I'd give y'all another angle for Temu Tuesday, y'all. So get you something to drink and come on. Okay, I thought I'd do this one at the table here in the dining room. Get ready to put up all my 4th of July, Memorial Day decorations. So I wanted to do the haul here. So here's today's haul. I'm going to get it out of their bags and then I'm going to get back on here. Okay. Y'all can see my picture window behind me in the former living room or the parlor. I want to give y'all a different look today. I'm going to do the non-craft items first. So yeah. Stay to the end of my video, y'all, please. Alright. This is going to be funny. Hopefully nobody thinks it's vulgar or not appropriate, whatever. This was $2.26 and it is 3D printed. I got this from my grandson because he has the little Temu scrub daddies. We both do. So I got this for him and it's 3D printed. Do you see his little legs? And it sits on your sink. And you put your little scrub daddy here. Time out. I keep all my extra scrub daddies in like I think a pillowcase or something like that came in it, or maybe some, you know, the plastic little zip things. That's what you can save everything. So you get your little scrub daddy, whether it's real or Temu, and it sets on the edge of the sink, and he goes in there like that. And I don't know if you can see, but he has a little drainage hole right here in the middle. So that's how he drains. So I'm giving it to my grandson. You can break that off if you want and just let it come straight out. It don't matter. But it is 3D printed and it's really cool textures for $2.26. Okay. This, hopefully I don't have to, you're not too far away that y'all can't see. This was $3.52. And I read the description on this, but I don't know. I guess I still messed it up. You don't know me. I'll put my pictures up. Because I know there's no way you're going to be able to see it in my hands. It's got the American, USA outlined, and it's like a flag. And then it's got Statue of Liberty, and then the eagle with golden wings. And y'all see how little it is. It says it's 1 inch point something. I'll put all my measurements up there, but it's either gonna go on my necklace or a bracelet. So that was $3.52. I gotta find a bag for trash. Okay, I probably won't wear these at the same time. I'll probably just wear them at 2 different times. It was $5.04. I got 2 price adjustments that made it $4.57. Okay, here are the earrings. And here are the here's the necklace. It's all twisted up. I will probably out in my office take this chain off and put a silver chain or a stainless steel chain that's longer, because y'all know me, I don't like short. I guess, well, let me see. If I go and... Oh, it's okay. It's not too bad. Okay. So $4, if it ain't real, it's not stainless steel, it's not sterling. But as long as it sits on your clothes, it won't tarnish or nothing like that. Okay, last time I saved my purse for last. This time I'm just going to throw it out here first. It was $6.32, 32 cents off, so it was $6. And I knew this was going to be like nylon, not nylon, like maybe like parachute pants. Remember those from the 80s? Yeah, we know our parachute. I miss those so much. All them pockets and everything. So I got me a red. First one I've seen that has silver buckles and stuff, because I love silver. Y'all know I don't like gold. This is going to be a great grab bag to go to doctors and stuff. And it's a shoulder bag. You got a pocket here, a pocket here. You got nice inside, and this right here is cushioned. I mean, that's a thick cushion here. There's no pockets on the inside whatsoever. But you got one on each side. You got one right here. One right here. And then a big one here. It goes all the way down. Well, if I excuse my fingers, y'all. I've been working with woodworking, making my Halloween crafts, so my fingers are all tore up. They're swollen. They're bloody. They're really tore up. So yeah, can't wait to this. I gotta have the purse coming. Let me just do back. Well, that's a little too long. No, that's about right. Don't like it way up here. And you can adjust it. So $6 for that. Okay, I want to give y'all Temu's fail. I love word searches. So I've already got my money back on this. I sent them a thing that it was an inaccurate web description. But it was $6.16. I got a price adjustment, so they refunded me $5.29. And the pictures of it has it about that thick. Okay, it's not that thick. You see how thin it is. Okay, it says 550 plus Halloween game search game. Then it says 500 plus 50 challenges and levels and puzzles and all that, right? This is 23 pages in this book. And there are the word search only. And it is, can we turn pages? It is one-sided only. So you're only getting 23 puzzles. That's it. So save your money and go to Dollar Tree and get you some word searches. I got it because it was so big. And I thought, from how thick it was going to be a good book. But like I said, they refunded me my money. You know how Temu is. They're really good about refunding your money if they keep it. So, I got a purse coming that can hold my books. Because after I bought these last two purses, I was like, and I went to the doctor the other day, I was like, I ain't got nothing to hold my purse. So my husband had, hold my books. So my husband had to hold my book while I was at the doctor's. Yeah. Okay. So this was $3.73, 8 cents off, so it made it $6.50. Lord Jesus. I see the numbers, but they came out of my mouth the wrong way. $3.65. And it is, I wrote 12 pieces. And these are carnival tickets. You could tear off this part right here if you want to. It's made where you could tear it off. For like for birthday parties or stuff. But y'all know me, that's not what I got it for. I got it for a junk journal. I want to make a clown junk journal. I know a lot of people are terrified of clowns, but I love clowns. I think they're funny. I think it's funny how people are, yeah. So, 12 pieces of that for $3.65. You know, and always embellish your ephemera. Just remember that. Just because they come like that doesn't mean you can't add stuff to it. Okay. I guess I'll show y'all these. I got some Halloween banners. They're 40 inches by 11.81. $12 price adjustment for 13 cents, so they were $11.87. And you get a 4-pack. And they come with their little stoppers. That's expensive. You get 8 of these, and out of this, the rubber ends to the pose. You get 4 pose. Yeah, they didn't put nothing together. It's okay. Alright. Guess I'll stand up again, y'all. Push my chair back. Okay. There's one. These are going in my foyer. I see string too, so I guess we get strings too. 2. 3 and 4. Okay. Hopefully I might stand up for nothing else. Okay, for some of y'all that's been wanting to get into junk journaling, I thought I'd get this for y'all, so y'all could see it. You could get this in wood too. You don't have to get it in plastic. $2.62. Price adjustment was 30 cents. So I made it $2.32. And how many pieces is it? Does say I got the pink color. Hopefully y'all can't hear my husband and his tractor. It's 105 today. I don't know why he's out there on that tractor. He could wait this afternoon. But we're burying our electric line. We have 2 electric lines going to our house. We have a 200 amp house. And yeah, this poor old Victorian just don't know what to do for 200 amps. But we're burying it. So the electric company come out last week or the week before and said everything was good, but it stormed every day. So this is the first time it's brought up enough that he get out there for his tractor and backhoe. So, okay. These are for your junk journaling. This does the even space in between the spine and the back, and you got more here, more here. I can show y'all what all these are for. This is to cut your corners. So this is great because y'all seen me when I'm doing my spine, it slides over and stuff, so you hardly ever get it right, but or even. But $2.32. Like I said, this is made out of plastic. You can get wood, but that's a good price. Okay, got some more pot holders. $5.20. Got 6 of them for pink. This only get me some towels for all year round when it's not a holiday, because my kitchen's kind of pink shabby chic. So these are really nice. I wouldn't say I would use them for pot holders because they're a little too thin for me for pot holders. But to sew towels on them, you can't beat that price. 6 for $5.20. There's no way you could buy them cheaper than that. So I got pink and I got orange for Halloween and fall. And they're both $5.20 for a 6-pack. We're going out my office. Okay. For $2.25, this is 5 inches and 9/16 by 3.62. Tiny. It said like 6 inches by 4. Now it's like I ain't never seen 6 inches so little in my hands before. Oops. And it is a die cut. And y'all haven't got to see the video of my die cut machine yet, but you will. But it's a tiny little thing. But you'll be cutting paper out, so these will close up. I'll put my pictures for y'all to see what it means. But so, best way to do is buy from Temu to get them cheaper. To see if you like them, because I already know now because I'd already done it, but I do not like these small things coming out. No, I like a big cutout like this. These are a whole bunch of different sizes. It was $7.43. I got 3 price adjustments. 2 of them were 1 cent each, so I'm not really sure how much. But yeah, you tear these apart and you can make different tags. Just check my pictures, whatever side I put my pictures on. Okay. These are tab die cuts. Some people would use the die cuts for this, and some people has the little puncher that punches them out. I haven't seen a puncher yet, so for sale. $4.89, 5 cents off, made it $4.84, and there's 4 in a pack. And you take them apart. And that's tabs for your junk journal or your scrapbook or whatever. Now this, I said it was 3 inches by 3 inches, something like that. I knew it was gonna be tiny, but Lord Jesus, it might work in my little video books. But this was advertised as Tim Holtz. And if you know anything about junk journaling or scrapbooking or anything like that, who Tim Holtz is. And this was $4.19. I got 2 price adjustments, but I only recorded 1 for 4 cents. But I don't want to take these out because they're so hard. I'll put my pictures up, and that will help y'all even more me taking them out. For $4.50, I got this one, and this is going to make some beautiful pockets for my junk journals. It won't go in them little junk journals I've been making, but it'll go in a regular size junk journal. When you use an 8.5 by 11 sheet, it makes it 8.5 by what, 6.5. So that's what our standard usually junk journals are. Okay. And to hold them, I got this. Oh, it's heavy. 5.5 inches by 6.69 inches. I got 24 pack. That means 12 of each. It was $7.17. And I made this order when Amazon Prime was going on. And I checked Amazon Prime first for this. And I got another order coming today. I checked there first and there was no good Amazon Prime deal. But you get 12 of the sheets, the envelopes it comes in. They're plastic. And this is magnets, or magnet sheets. So sheets. And they're the small sheets. And what you do is you take your magnet sheet. Whew, it's stinky too. Let me go ahead and open this one. The tabs. Oh, I got a headache. Because you got to organize them. Okay. See how the magnet sheets, talk, Carol Sue, come on. See how my die cuts stay on it because they're metal? Okay, you take them, put them on a magnet sheet. Because once you tear them apart, they're all loose. And it's hard to keep them organized. I've already seen that. So they fit perfectly in there. And this closes. You got a little... I can't even read my book right now because I'm having so much trouble with my fingers. Right there. See? And then you organize it in some little box or in your drawer. So yeah, I'm very happy about this. You get 12 of these and 12 of the envelopes. And I won't fill them up right now because I ain't got enough. I'm just starting. Phew. God, they're stinky. So that's a really great deal. 24 for $7. And no sense of putting them back in there. I'm going to my office. Okay, this was a fail also. I was refunded and told to keep it. It was $3.27. They refunded me $2.11 after my price adjustments. And it is clowns. And I think it said it had 80-something stickers. But they're so cheaply made, and you're getting 3 or 4 sheets of the same thing. So you're only getting 4 different prints, 4 different kinds. But they're not a good quality of sticker. They're really not. And they're white. So whatever you put them on, you're going to have to grunge them up. So if you just want some cheap stickers, then yes, they're good. But if you want, I don't know how good they're going to be about junk journaling. I was just not impressed with it, and I was going to send them back, and they said keep it. So, okay. Got me some postcard. I got $3.26 for a 20 pack, and I wasn't paying attention. I was so happy to see them. I thought they were papers, but they're actually like a postcard material, so you could cut them. So I'll put my pictures up. You get 20 of them. They're all cats and pumpkins and stuff. So, yeah, that's my haul for today, y'all. See, it was a lot of stuff, but so I'll see y'all again later. All right, bye.